Trick shot.
Yeah! Ready? Go.
What in the world am I?
20,000 subscribers, and we'll pull him off the ledge in the cart. It's got to be by Christmas.
Don't do it. I'm not coming off the porch.
Sure, the algorithm punches this out. We did it! 20K, baby! We did it! Let's go! 20K, baby!
Wait, that's going off the porch, right?
Oh, yeah!
Get ready for all of that.
Get ready. He already knew. All right, guys, so we hit 20,000, and now it's time for Barilla Dad to come off the porch. So we fixed up the car. We had to reinforce it. So right here, we got the twining of the rope to keep it like stable on the bottom. Because if you remember last time, I don't know if you remember this, but the bottom was falling through. So it was hard for me to go. So that happened. We added pool noodles right here.
And
What
down
is
there.
this for? Like head protection? Head protection?
So I don't slam my head.
Yeah. Head protection. And then these right here.
Protection.
Bottom feet protection, butt protection. All right, guys, so it's Barilla Dad's turn to get ripped off the porch. So me and Jude have both done it. So let's do it. Jude started off. He did it. 3, go!
Oh my. Are you okay? Let's do it again.
Let's do it again. Then I did it when we hit 10K, right? 10?
10K.
10K.
That's hard, bro.
Oh my God.
Right, 10K.
I did it at 10K. And then now we just hit 20K and it is his turn to do it.
And if you stay at the end of this video, Luke, we're going to challenge Luke to do it. We need your help. We're going to do a video on it.
30,000.
50. He said 50.
30.
Come on, man. All right,
Are we extending it?
stop. No. You're going to have to back up. You're going to have to back up. Back up.
Yeah, I'll get it.
Yeah, back it up and measure it.
Hey!
Will it go? Yeah, maybe that's the right angle.
Yeah.
I think that's the right angle.
Let's do it. Hop in there.
All right, I need you right here. Yeah, then you're gonna get in front of the car and then get all of it, okay? Not that close. Oh my God.
Pick your legs up.
Yeah, I know. That ain't gonna work.
It's gonna work, Dad.
Try the lay down technique.
One large step.
One
big-
giant impact in the ground.
That's what I'm talking about.
I don't know. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I'm really I'm in a lot of trouble. I'm in a lot of trouble.
How you gonna do this?
This way.
So what do we do if we can't do it?
I don't know.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
How did y'all? My heart is pounding right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Scaredy cat.
Let's get it. You good?
You got it? Come here. What up?
You ready, Jude? You ready for that?
Yeah, go.
Yikes.
Oh my God.
Hey, we need more speed. Are you okay?
Yeah.
We need more speed,
Yeah.
so we need to extend the rope.
I don't know if it'll stay straight though.
All right, guys, so this is what we're doing real quick. We backed up the cart so we could get more speed. We extended the rope so we could back the cart up, basically. So that's all we've done is
Look,
we've extended
from
the
there.
rope from there to there. So, yeah,
So there.
get back in that cart, boy. I'm going to take over.
Let's
from
get it.
here.
All right.
Feel the rhythm. Feel the ride. Hang on, Dad. It's bobsled time. He's coming off that porch no matter what.
Oh, yeah?
I'm flying this thing.
You're flying?
This thing is going to the moon.
I bet. So, good luck.
88 miles per hour.
Hey, get me. Here we go. Holy. No, I ain't doing that. Hey, that's 20,000 guys. Thank y'all so much. Appreciate your support. What's up, boys? Y'all hitting? Let's go tell Luke. Whoa. Where's he at? Go get him. Go get Luke. Here, Mike. Mike, here. Use that.
I need Luke.
Huh?
I need Luke.
Luke, I need you. I'm
Come on. Get over here. No, come here. Get. All right. What are you doing at 50,000?
No, I'm not doing that.
What are you gonna do?
Not that.
Tell the people.
If we get 50K, I'll jump off the porch with the thing.
With the thing. Let's go. Let's go. We got confirmation. Hey, make it happen. I know y'all can. 50,000. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.
Right on. Hey, what's up? What is all this? It's a good one, Jude. Got you right here. What? Wow. Hit the subscribe button.